Autonomous vehicles rely on a complex network of sensors and AI algorithms to navigate safely. The system fuses data from cameras, LiDAR, and radar to build a real-time 3D map of the environment. Machine learning models then predict the behavior of pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles, allowing the car to anticipate potential hazards before they occur. This predictive capability is key to reducing accidents caused by human error, which accounts for over 90% of crashes. AI also continuously improves through simulation and real-world driving data, refining its decision-making with every mile. The result is a system that can react faster and more consistently than a human driver, especially in challenging conditions like low visibility or sudden obstacles. While the technology is not yet perfect, its safety record is already promising, and ongoing advances in AI are steadily bringing us closer to a future with far fewer traffic fatalities.